So just some thoughts about our clients using our remote law clinic service. So just by way of context, Hull is in an area of high social and economic deprivation, and so most of our clients come to see us around issues of social welfare, in particular housing, employment, family law, wills and probate, increasingly crime, civil litigation, consumer type problems as well. And we're dealing with around 100 cases every year. So whilst we were running on campus, we saw clients from a wide range of backgrounds on a wide range of issues. Obviously, these would be local clients to the Yorkshire and Humber area, but also increasingly from North East Lincolnshire, but certainly within a 20 to 30 mile radius of campus, for those clients to come onto campus and see our student advisors face to face. So when we moved online in November 2020, we saw quite a significant falling off of demand for our online service versus our on-campus service. And this was quite typical of the experience of other clinics in the Law Works clinic network, but also across the not-for-profit advice sector, including CAB, which we are in regular contact with, but also I think this is something that law firms also experienced. Was quite a significant dropping off of demand generally for legal services. So that was initially a concern for us, not only in terms of being able to fill and manage those appointments to enable our students to continue with their law clinic experience, but also in terms of reaching out to those client groups who maybe needed to get in touch, but for various and probably complex reasons we're not doing so. To stimulate some client demand and to try and reach out across our community and beyond, we did several things. So the first thing we did was contact Law Works and ask them to put out information amongst the clinics network to let other clinic coordinators know that we had some capacity in our appointments. We contacted our local Citizens Advice Bureau, and they were really helpful. They have referred quite a number of cases to us, although they themselves have experienced, at least initially, a dropping off in their client demand as well. We also continued to promote our service amongst our university staff networks and student networks and our alumni network as well, and that has proved really helpful in making sure that we're able to fill our appointments, and I'm very pleased to say that now we're back up to full capacity with our appointments, though I suspect that there are certain clients who still have not been able to access legal advice, and in particular family casework is a particular cause for concern. So clients experiencing relationship breakdown, not being able to find a safe space, or indeed in terms of practical homeschooling and what have you, being able to prioritise their own needs to be able to seek advice about relationship breakdown. And I would anticipate that once things start to go back to normal, we will see a huge increase in demand for our family law advice, and also employment law advice when clients start to return to work or maybe have been made redundant as a result of the pandemic. And I suspect we'll also see a huge increase in surge in housing law as well, once landlords are able to exercise eviction notices. So we need to continue thinking about how we reach out to our clients and what those client needs are. We have had a number of issues with digital access, so clients maybe not being able to access online services, and we have had a few teething problems with particular clients around that, and also internet access. But I have to say that that hasn't been such an issue as I initially feared that it would be.